Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today on this one, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you're saying, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above that pink line there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Right now, that's valued at $1.12. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price falls below $1.12, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $1.12, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture point of view, a very straightforward and very easy way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full health or control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. The party stopped today right up around $1.28. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. And now it's just a question of, building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are built going forward, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and the higher bases. Then you can just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. But no doubt about it, great way to start off the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.